In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA in Lemlist. So first log into your Lemlist dashboard, then click on your profile icon at the bottom left corner, then go to settings. So here, once inside account settings, just scroll down until you get to the security section. And here you'll see three authentication methods, including the two-factor authentication. So all you have to do is click on the enable button beside it. To proceed, just type in your current password, then press confirm. And here you'll see a QR code that you need to scan using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Duo or Othi, and follow the next steps by pressing continue. And here you just need to enter the verification code from your app to confirm setup and also to activate your two-factor authentication. And once done, simply click on the confirm button. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!